Hello and welcome. In Excel, but also in Google spreadsheets, there's this problem, and possibly in OpenOffice and LibreOffice as well, I don't remember quite well. There is a problem that sometimes you have fields with numbers in them, and for example here in Advanced you already changed the decimal separator to comma and the thousand separator to dot, because you want to recognize these weird numbers as they are formatted in some unfortunate cases. And it doesn't work unless you double-click them and click away, then it's formatted as a number. Double-click, click away, then it's formatted as a number. Even though you already pressed Ctrl+1 and in formatting set this to counting, for example. I mean, if you select multiple fields, you still see down here 55 is the sum, so the 7.26 is being ignored. I have no idea how to actually properly handle this, but there's a workaround. You just take another empty column and start a formula in which you write equals one of the numbers divided by 1, and then you just pull this down, and then you just select Ctrl+C and then Ctrl+V, and then you can also change this to values, or right-click and then paste values. In this case we have some cells which are empty, and for some reason nothing divided by 1 is this stuff, so we just change the formula. Let me just delete this. So I'm going to type equal sign if open parenthesis and click the cell, and then equal sign double quotes twice, semicolon, and then double quotes twice, and then semicolon, and then I'm going to write the formula p divided by 1. Alright, so in this case it works, and if we extend it to the other column, it also works, and if we extend it down here, it also works, and now we can see the sums of these numbers. 347.62. I don't know what's up with this. But anyways, we can even fix that. We can just copy this and then paste values. Okay, I seriously gotta figure this out. Let's just go for number A. Oh, come on. What is this? Oh, here. Right. My bad. Alright, I hope this helps. It's so frustrating. Let me know in the comments how much time you wasted trying to figure this one out. Anyways, I hope you have fun doing your taxes or whatever it is you're doing. See you next time. Oh yeah, subscribe. Ciao.